FamilyPod is the ultimate scheduling app. Our clever solution allows you to build your own private network of friends and family who you can ping in seconds for childcare, logistics, errands, favours, pet care, eldercare, disabled care and home care. Say goodbye to group chats, shared calendars, miscommunications and continuous irrelevant messages. Visit FamilyPodUSA.com to learn more. You can download the FamilyPod app from your app store in a few seconds. You can create your family profile in minutes, invite friends and family to your pod, and get reminders and notifications. Make sure you allow notifications. Then log in with Apple or Google. Enter your full name and your phone number and your address. And of course, a profile picture. Enter the verification code to prove that you are a real person. Now, add your dependents like kids, pets, elderly relatives, and anyone with special needs for whom you care. You can also add, for each dependent, health items, routines, and any special contact information. Add things like food, drink, medications, allergies, schools, sports clubs, activities, doctors, emergency contacts, and anything else you feel is applicable or important. Then just hit done. Next, build out your pods by inviting personal connections via text message, social media, or email. Each pod member will receive a special link to click on, and then they will be in your pod inside your app, which you can quite easily see by hitting your profile and then hitting pods, just like this. Now, you are ready to make your first booking request for a helping hand. The app automatically includes everything that is needed for each booking. Schedule anything with people you know, such as childcare, pet care, elder care, disabled care, home care, logistics like pickups and drop-offs, errands and favours, and anything else you may need. Enter any notes that you may feel are pertinent. You can even add in some money if you would like to reimburse someone or pay someone some money, or you can make it free. Select the applicable dependents, which could be your baby or it could be your pets, and then choose your pod to whom you would like to send the request for a helping hand. And it really is that easy. Welcome to FamilyPod. Simplify your family life. Download the FamilyPod app today.